Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lisa Sarani and I want to presentation about PhotoVoice, a tool of reflective learning to enhance students' speaking ability. First, introduction about reflective. According to Ch.S. Kong, 2014 described reflective learning as a process of combining experience, theories, and action to gain new value. Reflective learning is combination of thinking and action process. Reflective learning approach provides the learning teaching process with an important viewpoint over teachers, the opportunity of improving their instructional implementation in the direction of student need. According to C. Galea 2012. Next, the problem. The study found that a lot of native English students become passive learners because they had been set up focused on academic purpose and only listen to the teacher or teacher content in the classroom, with less chance to have active classroom conversation. And additionally, the study found that student cultural obstacle and lack of English language competence in the classroom were the main cause of study passiveness. They only read the textbook, then the teacher gave the instruction, did the exam, in the end, they forgot what they had learned. And then, the student ended self-reflection activity helped the student to realize the strength, the weakness, and help them to solve the problem. Students could improve their own ability in speaking since they did the reflection. The reflection is one of the effective ways and it was practical to be done. And the last reflection creates a bridge between theory and practice according to Power, C. Thompson, B. Mason, and B. L. Batlett 2016. It is a vital part of the student or critically reflective development with experiential learning context. And then about the critical reflection is composed of three integrated parts, namely personal reflection, critical review that is more data-driven, and the documentation to support and record the insight gained in reflection. And according to C. Thomas and D.C. Packer, in 2013, reflective practice making the teacher monitoring the student progress and analyzing progress, monitoring data, making a reflective on every student progress, and fixing teacher practice based on each student respond to the instruction. In brief, reflective learning is an activity that involves high-order thinking to acquire the information bypassing some scientific process. Next, research method. PhotoVoice is used as the tool to analyze the data reflective learning impact in student speaking ability. Cited in Shiwong and Im A. Boris in 1997, PhotoVoice allows people to use the camera to take photographs on every moment that happens in this community of social life. PhotoVoice helps the teacher to understand what is really happening in the teaching learning activities through photographs. The participants of the research were 15 students who joined speaking class of the English education in one of the university in Indonesia. This class consists of 13 females and 2 males, with the average age of the around 19 to 20 years old. This research was conducted to collect the data. After the students watch and give feedback on the videos of their fans, the research gives the questionnaire. The research then analyzes the result of the questionnaire by using short analysis. And then the purpose of our PhotoVoice project was to understand what happened in the class. In PhotoVoice project, we use SHORT analysis. SHORT is the acronyms of several questions in the questionnaire that the participants should answer while analyzing picture. First, S. what do you see here? And H, what is really happening here? H, how does this relate to our life or your life personally? Why does the situation conquer our strength exist? A, how could this image educate the community or class? And D, what can we do about it? The document in form of written reflection from the students themselves were used to assess and know which part needs to be revised. The written document consists of some part of their mistakes during self-recording, example intonation, grammar, pronunciation, and fluency. In addition, what they have learned from their mistake. The last conclusion. By using reflective learning, the effectiveness can be reassigned to. It involves all the students in the class. Reflective learning really makes the student realize to make progress of their own ability. The students are aware that they have responsibility to revise their mistakes. And the last, the reflection improves the student skill, particularly speaking competence. The engagement aspect include intonation, grammar, pronunciation, and fluency. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi